Okay, so I'm gonna do a tour of my room, very similar to the one I have 3 months ago. I was here in July, but just in case it's your first time seeing it, let's go ahead and do it. I'm at the Westgate. I'm at the North Tower, 25th floor. Okay. So as soon as you walk into my left, we have this little area. You can put your drinks, your eyes. You know what? I actually like it. Pretty aesthetic when you're taking pictures, so you keep it nice and clean. Then we have the closet. And it has an extra blanket, hangers. I mean, you know, the basics of any hotel. El burro, your iron, and to put your luggage. And I love these bags because that's where I like to keep my dirty clothes. That is me. Okay, so this is the restroom. I wish I would have gotten a bathtub, but I didn't. Is it clean? I don't know what the heck that is, but you know, I'll give it a 6. You know, just because of some stains, but that's wear and tear, you know. The toilet, me again. So I've noticed this time we have like different, just a presentation of their shampoos and conditioner. So we have a body wash, conditioner, shampoo, and body lotion. And I'm guessing these are bar soaps. Okay, nothing in the drawers yet, but I'm gonna be here for a week, so I'm gonna make sure I use them. I already put, you know, this is where I keep my perfumes and all that stuff. That was in my bag. This one doesn't open. These are your towels. So there's like little dust, but hey, let me make sure this door locks. Okay, it's broken. You know, it's. I don't. What can we do for the price? Let me tell you though. This time, it was very pricey. We're talking over $1,000, but there's a lot of events going on. So I have my luggage. I'm gonna unpack right now. King size bed, all for myself. Love it. What else? We did get a fridge. I hope this one works. Okay, it's all right. It's not that cold. I'll adjust the temperature right now. We have some more drawers, and I always like to make sure there's nothing in them. Okay, the safe. I've seen videos where these are pretty much useless, but I never keep anything there anyways. And okay, so let's talk about the view. This sphere is a new thing, and we don't have a view to the sphere. Okay, let me turn on the lights for you just so we can see. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, try my best to turn off all the lights for you just so we can look at the view. But obviously I didn't do a good job. So we're looking at the golf course right now. There's a little lake there. I mean, it's not a bad view. It's just with the new sphere being on the other side. That's what we wanted to see, right? But it's okay. I'm gonna say if the TV has my name, because I was just at Marriott with my sister in San Diego, and they had her turn the lights back on. Okay, let's turn them back on. So that's me again. I know okay, the TV didn't work. I'm just turning on all the lights right now for the video. Trust me, I don't have them on all the time. And I love my desk. Okay, I am going to be here a week, so best believe I'm going to try to maximize and use every little feature. So I have not laptop. It's a laptop bag, but it's for my tablet, my cleaner. I'm freaking obsessed with sticky notes, so I brought my own sticky notes, power bank, and I think these lamps are so cool because you have your plugs to charge anything. And then over here they have a little pen to take notes, and this is so cool because, you know, I like it. What is this? Oh shoot, okay, that's cool. So the back of this bed has a light. That's a new feature for me. I don't know if my last bed had it. We can see all that dust right there. Que es una telaraña. I don't know. But, you know, let's not even discuss that right now because I'll be thinking about it and I'm like, no, voy a dormir a gusto. Okay. Sorry, I know you guys probably hate my Spanglish. But this is it. Like I said, a little bit over $1,000, but it's a busy week and I'm staying here 3 nights, 4 days. But this is what you get at the Westgate North Tower, 25th floor. Does not come with the strip view. Well, we're not on the strip, but you get a glimpse of it. That's the only thing I'm not liking, and I already called it. There's nothing. I wanted something with the sphere view, stripish. It would be $129 extra a night, and what else? Yeah, no. So, what the heck were they doing with this? I just noticed these things. I know. I notice everything, but hey, when I'm looking at videos, I like it when they point out things. Of course, every room is different. But I mean, it's not the worst room I've stayed in. I'm actually getting used to them. So, it's all good for me. And let me know if you have questions. Adios.